Hello everyone, welcome to Food Pros with me Archana. In this video you're gonna see a beautiful recipe for the upcoming Diwali festival, and we are making Palkova using milk powder. It's also called as peda. Let's see the ingredients which we need to make this Palkova. We need milk powder 2 cups, any instant powder. Milk 1 cup, prefer for a whole fat milk. Sugar half a cup. In case if you are a sugar lover, you can increase to 3/4 cup. 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and a few pinch of saffron. It is optional, but this will be a flavor enhancer. Let's see how to make this palkova. To a pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and let the ghee melt. The temperature which I am going to cook today is low to medium, which is the preferred temperature to make the palkova. Once the ghee is completely melted, let's add milk and boil the milk until you see the first bubble, because that's the place where we're going to add the saffron. Saffron is just a little pinch of extra flavor where we are adding to our palkova. Once the milk starts to boil, this is a place where we start adding our milk powder gradually. Because milk powder, when added to a hot liquid, it will coagulate or it will just form lumps. So add little by little of milk powder. In this case, I'm adding just like 1/4 of a cup and then stirring it continuously and adding the rest. Let me share a few information about this palkova. You all know I am from South India, from the place called Tamil Nadu, and the moment you say palkova to any Tamil Nadu people, they will say Srivilliputturu, because Srivilliputturu is the place to have the authentic palkova, because they are the milk producing society in Tamil Nadu and they are very famous for milk. So they came up with this idea of creating a palkova, and traditionally they make in a very big iron pot, but the maximum they make is only 3 kgs, because that gives the correct texture, the right consistency for this palkova. And eventually it just got gradually done in different methods which we use right now with the pal powder or the milk powder. So this is a small history about palkova from a Tamil Nadu point of view. And you can see I have added all the milk powder and the consistency is getting thicker and thicker. Right now it's the time for us to add sugar, and we are almost to the end of making this palkova. This is very easy and it's an instant sweet which you can make in minutes. When the sugar melts, the consistency changes to a little runny, but eventually when you just keep cooking, it just gets thicker and thicker and it gives us a nice semi-solid texture to our palkova. For every spoonful of palkova, you have the nice milk solid texture to our palate, and it's divine. And this recipe is very easy. It's instant and it just took 20 minutes for me to do the entire process. Our palkova is done. It's in the right texture. It's creamy, but yet it has all the milk solids. And we like our palkova just served in a bowl because we love the creamy texture. And I'm just garnishing with few almonds and few saffron. And I hope you all loved this instant version of a palkova. It is not the traditional way, but yet it tastes exactly same the traditional way. I hope you all loved this video. I'll see you all soon in another Diwali special. You all have a happy Diwali and don't forget to subscribe to Food Pros. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye from Archana. Take care and ta-da.